So a lot of people, they want to create a YouTube channel because they know that that's a way to get leads, or they want to create short form content or long form content. But what do they always say? I don't know what my customer wants. I'm not exactly sure who they are. So what you can do is this. I've created this little diagram for you. Think about it real quick like this. You can create a basic white page with linked buttons on it. And on that page it says, hey, I will basically audit your business, or I will do a breakdown with you, or I will create this thing with you. And when you do that, then all of a sudden they got to fill out a form. You're going to do this for them for free. So this is a way to collect emails, but more importantly, to get educated about your audience. They click here, they go and they want to fill out this form because you might possibly get them on a YouTube video with them, where you're basically just going to create a Zoom with them, and then you can discuss them. So this shows you authority in the industry you're in. You also get all the information you need to know how to create your email automations, to know how to create your landing pages, to know how to create your offers. You also get YouTube content, so this helps you monetize, grow your content, and you're discussing almost like a podcast with your people, but you're getting all the information you need to know about your entire audience, so that when you go create this 4-page automated member growth machine, you know exactly what to put on the landing page to get more leads. You know exactly what to put in the sales video to get more sales. You know exactly what to give them in the membership program that they can pay you, say, $97 a month for. And all of this stuff educates you. They write your copy for you. You just have to go do content and say, hey, would you like me to help you do a business breakdown? Or would you like to help me show you exactly how to do this thing? I'll break it down with you for free, and you can be on my YouTube channel. You get all the help you want. We get what we need. Everybody, it's a good deal. And now you know how to go out to the internet and the marketplace with all the right things.